Fixing data types in Python. In previous videos, we learned that the input instruction is used to take user input as a string. In this video, we will learn how to take user input of different data types. If we want integer as user input, we have to perform type conversion on the input instruction. This is necessary to ensure that we receive the user's input as an integer. Here, I'm declaring a variable called user_name and assigning the input instruction as its value to collect information from the user. After that, I'm displaying the username and its type using the print instruction. If you take a look at the output, you'll notice that I entered a string value, Harsha, which is why Harsha is shown here. Additionally, the data type is also displayed using the type instruction. I've declared another variable called age, and I'm obtaining its value from the user using the input instruction. Then, I'll display this information using print instruction. Running the code and providing some random values. First, I entered Harsha, and the type was displayed as a string. Later, when I entered 29, the type was once again displayed as a string. This happens because the input function always treats user input as a string. Here, I'm using the input instruction to convert the string value into an integer. Running the code. Giving the same values as mentioned earlier. Now, if you observe the output, you'll see that we get 29 as an integer value. I'm declaring another variable called height. Running the code. Giving the same values as mentioned earlier. In this case, integers don't accept decimal values as user input. Here, you would need to convert the text into a float using the float instruction. Observe the output, you'll see that we have obtained 6.0 as in float value. Input instruction takes string value as in user input. Int of input instruction takes integer value as in user input. Float of input instruction takes decimal value as in user input. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more Python tutorials.